Hi, so I'm going to tell you some more loan words from French. Now, French has had a massive influence on words to do with cuisine, among other things. And of course, the second biggest industry that we take them from is the fashion industry. So it's absolutely no surprise at all that in English we also use a lot of French words. The first word we have is couture. Couture, of course, is when a piece of clothing is specifically designed for you, okay, to your exact measurements. Now, this would be the opposite, of course, than something that would be prêt-à-porter. Prêt-à-porter is the typical clothing that you find on the racks at a clothing store, okay? It's made in mass quantities and it's not made to the specific measurements of you. Then we talk about garments. A garment is an item or a piece of clothing, all right? A garment could be a t-shirt, a jumper, a pair of pants, or something like that. Now, in order that your garment is not vanilla or boring, we can use the word risqué, okay? It can mean a little bit provocative, something that you wear that may be a little bit spicy, you might say. And the final word we have is béret. A béret, of course, is a flat, round hat. The typical stereotype of a French person is wearing the béret, of course, around their head with the garlics. So, whether it is couture, prêt-à-porter, garment, risqué, or béret, you have enough French words to improve your fashion in English.